Hello everyone, welcome to Web Solution. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install Spotify on your mobile device. Make sure to watch the whole video to learn how. Let's begin. First, go ahead and open Play Store on your mobile device. Tap on the search bar at the top of your screen. Now go ahead and type in Spotify. Tap on the search icon at the bottom right of your screen. Select Spotify. Tap on Install. The installation process may take some time according to your internet speed. Once the installation process is over, tap on Open. And that's it. This is how you install Spotify on your mobile device. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then please click the thumbs up button. If you have any questions or thoughts, type them in the comments below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates. Click the bell icon too so you'll know when we post a new video. We'll be back with another video soon. Thanks for watching.